you're thinking you're just going to dinner tonight. But then he pulls out this. What are you going to do? What are you going to say? Well, that depends on the ring. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing an unboxing review for an engagement ring from SheSaidYes. This ring was gifted to me by SheSaidYes, but I'm definitely going to give an honest review, in my opinion, of the piece, okay? If you haven't heard of SheSaidYes, SheSaidYes is a jewelry company that specializes in designing engagement rings, other pieces of jewelry, but the best part is that they are able to custom craft and design the engagement ring that you want, from the cut, from the color, from the stones, the number of stones. Any way you want it designed, you can build the piece that you want. So let's unbox and see what they sent me. I can't wait to see this beautiful piece, this engagement ring. Here it is. So it comes in this beautiful box. For shipping purposes, it's in this package to protect your pieces, your items, so that's nice. Some instructions on how to care for your jewelry. It also comes with a card, best wishes for gifting. Oh, 15% off discount. All right, so it comes with a bag. It's a gift bag, and you have some ribbon for wrapping if you wanted to wrap this. Now, looking here, this is what it looks like. It has these insets, and here is the main event. It comes in a nice square box. It has a soft foam feel and texture to it, really sturdy. Okay, so in it, you're gonna have your jewelry in a package in plastic. So I guess that means, you know, when you're ready to gift it or insert it, you would do that yourself. So let's take a look. So this piece that I chose is called Swear on Love. They make sure it's protected with all these little packages. All right, this is an emerald cut. Now, I chose emerald cut to make it personal because my birthstone is emerald. My birthday's in May. So I wanted something that to make it personal and symbolize what I like and who I am. So I just kept all the stones white. Like I said, you can custom design and choose the color stones you want from the shape and everything. Okay. Now it comes with this tag. So in case you wanted to return it, it will come with this tag, but once you remove this tag, there is no going back, okay? This is mine. I'm gonna remove the tag. So you can get that idea and that feel of what it's gonna be like, girl, when you pop the question, or when he or she pops the question, okay? So here it is. First impression, I'm gonna say I like that this band is slim, and let's try it on. All right. All right, so I was a little bit worried about how it would feel when you have diamonds around the side, whether they dig into your skin and irritate you. But these aren't low enough to go down to irritate your skin. They're small, it's smooth, it's polished, and it's pretty firm. Oh my God, guys, this is so beautiful. Look at that. I just want you to look at that. Okay, it feels timeless. It's gold. It has a warm tone that feels classic and delicate. Now, this is a 1 carat. Now, I'm going to say this is a 1 carat moissanite. Perfect for sending that message of love forever, you know, connection. Let's be together. Let's make it official. Okay. Your side stones, look at that. They're just going to accentuate your center stone. not doing too much. Oh my God. It's just so romantic. It's perfect. It's perfect. Oh my God. Yes, yes. She said yes. She said yes. Oh, girl. Okay, I love the small details of the round stone. It's just, oh my God, it's so nice. A simple, heartfelt message. I like that the stone is not sitting up too high, because oftentimes as a person that's busy and doing things, I had a ring before where I would hit my stone because it set up a lot and I was worried about breaking it, but with this one it's just right, as you can see that. Once it's on your finger, baby, it's official. Once you put that ring on and say yes, it's a wrap. One more time. So if you're looking for a timeless piece, a memorable piece, romance, something that's going to speak volumes, something that's going to be a memorable moment, you want something that she's going to say yes to, this is it. This is it. So if you enjoyed this video and you love these pieces, go ahead and click the like button. I will leave a link in the comment and description box for you to check out these pieces. And if you just decide you love it, even if you want this exact one, be sure to use my discount code so that you can save on your purchase and that you can get the most beautifulest romantic thing ever for Valentine's Day for the person you love. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Bye.